I hate my job, I hate my job, I hate my job. Hey, what's up everybody? Your favorite chef is here, you're watching Clancy Cook channel, and today we are making best motherfucking sandwich on the planet Earth. So stay tuned and let's go forward on making that motherfucking sandwich. Welcome back everybody, welcome to my kitchen, Clancy Cook chicken. Take your favorite knife and start to chopping to red onion gloves. Do that quickly because we have lots of things to do it. Stop crying bitch, it's just red onion, you wasn't fail PR at bench press at Monday morning. Take your pan and make it hot as your neighbor wife. Fill with lots of oil, but just not motor oil, and then dump red onion gloves, chopped red onion gloves. Now we're gonna caramelize them. It's gonna take lots of time. Don't fool yourself if you think that's gonna take only 2 minutes. Here occasionally, and when it's softened a little bit, that's the right time to put away. Now is going our favorite time, meat time. Now first let me to just take a selfie. No fool, you're gonna just grab that pork fat and put on your favorite pan and then it's gonna melt it. And then you're gonna take that fat piece of meat and put in heated pan and then you're gonna bake it. On one side you're gonna add sea salt and pepper, spread all the way on the meat, and in the meantime do the rest of the job, like take that piece of bread and cut on the half. Find the finest bread on market and use it for this epic sandwich, because it's needed to be epic. You can't use just old bread or any bread. And yes, take that bread knife, don't be fool as I am, and try to cut with clumsy knife, or if you want to be clumsy cook you can do it with clumsy cook knife. Take a nice few shots because it needs a lot of time to bake that piece of meat. And of course add a more pork fat because we're gonna use it for special ingredient, and that's something that probably even Jamie Oliver or Gordon Ramsay don't know, and that's to put that pork fat and then put one of the side of the bread on that pan to soak all the flavor from that pork fat. I know it's maybe taking so long to make that, but it is not a tasty video that you're gonna see everything in 1 minute, so shut up and watch that all the way to the end. Now we're gonna add several pieces of the cheese. I don't know any measure of that, I just make it as I want and as I think that's gonna be epic, so do that. And then cover to just steam it, so we can do faster that piece of meat and cheese. It's only my morning voice, don't be scared, it's not creature from Loch Ness. Finally it's all over, and then you're gonna grab that piece of meat carefully and then add to our piece of bread gently, and then we're gonna spread some red onion on it and cover it other pieces of bread, and that's all guys. Finally it's all over. You can enjoy in that motherfucker epic sandwich on the planet Earth, enjoying these beautiful moments, and of course enjoy in this sandwich, that's most important. And of course second important thing is to subscribe, share, like, and see you in the next video. And of course if you have any question or any request, put down in the comment section below, I will watch it.